Didn't hear the latest news, didn't read the papers' choose, didn't watch the TV show, and I'm fine with it all. I don't know what tomorrow brings, and the past is gone forevermore. What will come will pass somehow, and I'm expecting the best. Whoa, where do you run to? You're hiding yourself. Whatever you do, do it right. Just flow like a river in your own riverbed, and let it lead you home. There might be a moment you come along where you have to choose between right or wrong. Trust your heart and read the signs, and they will show you the way. Every moment of anew you can decide what to do. All of a sudden you're living the life you've been dreaming so long. Whoa, where do you run to? You're hiding yourself. Whatever you do, do it right. Just flow like a river in your own riverbed, and let it lead you home.